Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D models section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a vast variety of high-quality 3D models, and it gets updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize a cardboard box 3D mockup. Let's select one of the models that suits us from the library. This cardboard box is what we need. Let's take a closer look. What a great mockup. Let's create a new project. This is what the default model looks like. Let's turn off drop shadow to fine-tune our 3D mockup. The initial box material looks great. Let's change its color. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette, or enter the color code manually, like this. Now let's reduce the intensity of the cardboard texture a little. We can do it in the material settings. Great. Now let's go to the duct tape and change the material. In the materials library, we will pick the material. This one will do. The next step is to change the color of the material. Next, in the material settings, we will increase the intensity of the texture. Nice. The final step in editing the box is the inner side. Let's change its color. Great, we're done with the box. Let's add the design to our model. To add the design, you can click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our box. Let's add the first design element. In this window, we see the editor, where we can move and modify our design. In this left window, the position of our design on the 3D model is displayed in real time. Let's reset the coordinates of the position of our design. Saving the design. Let's add some stickers to make sure our package reaches its destination. Again, click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. Place the design following the UV map. Great! Now let's add another design element. To do this, click on the Add Image button. We'll place our design based on the UV map. Excellent. Let's add a sticker to the bottom of the box. Great. Now let's add the design to the duct tape. I like it. Let's save the design, not to lose our progress. At the moment, our stickers have a cardboard texture. Let's change the material to make the sticker stand out. Let's select the design layer to activate it and change the material. In the settings, we will even out the material. adding dimension to our design using the bevel feature. Excellent. Now our box is all set for delivery. Let's turn the drop shadow back on. Let's add a fun background. We have plenty of pre-made backgrounds here in Provisual. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here we can select the desired colors and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you. Or add your own image. Let's add one. Wonderful. You can turn on moving lights to see how the light can enhance the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Let's save the final version of our mockup. After you've completed your design, you can share it by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Send it over to your colleagues, friends, or clients. And this is the end of our tutorial on creating a cardboard box design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.